Hey guys, welcome back. This is Mark from mksenglish.com, and today we're going to learn object pronouns. So, object pronouns are very common in English. Native speakers use them every single day. If you learn them well, your English will sound much more natural. Let's get started. So, what are object pronouns? Well, object pronouns replace the object of a sentence. Instead of repeating a person or a thing's name, we can use an object pronoun. Here are the object pronouns: me, you, him, her, it, us, them. And let's look at each one. First is me. Me. I becomes me when it is the object. For example, she called me. Can you help me? My teacher knows me. And of course, repeat after me. You'll hear me say that a lot. Wait, did you just say you'll hear me say that a lot? It's okay. Next, let's look at you. You, well, it stays the same. For example, I can see you. We like you. The doctor called you. Him. He becomes him. For example, I know him. Please tell him. And we invited him to dinner. Her. She becomes her. For example, I called her yesterday. Can you help her? And we saw her at the station. It. It's like you. It stays the same. For example, I found it. Please open it. And hey, don't touch it. Us. We becomes us. For example, the teacher helped us. Please wait for us. And they called us this morning. Them. They becomes them. For example, I know them. Can you see them? And let's invite them. So listen to these pairs. I like Sarah. I like her. I know Tom. I know him. We saw the dogs. We saw them. Open the box. Open it. Can you help my brother and me? Can you help us? Notice how the second sentence always sounds shorter and more natural. Okay, quick quiz. I want you to choose the correct object pronoun for the end of the sentence. Okay? Sentence number 1. I love my parents. I love them. Right. Number 2. Can you help my sister? Can you help? That's right, her. Okay, number 3. The teacher called John. The teacher called. That's right, him. Number 4. Please wait for my friend and me. Please wait for. Dun dun dun. Us. All right. Last one. Number 5. I can't find my phone. I can't find. 3, 2, 1. And the answer is it. Great job. I know you got that perfect score. So, today we learned 7 object pronouns: me, you, him, me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Remember, instead of saying someone's name again and again and again, just replace it with an object pronoun, especially if you can't remember that person's name. This will make your English sound smoother and more natural, and maybe save you from getting in trouble. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this lesson, please take a look at mksenglish.com, and if you contact me there, I'll be more than happy to help you with any questions you have. Also, subscribe to this channel and share it with a friend who's learning English. That would be fantastic. Keep practicing a little every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.